Yep, not sure why everyone calls it hump day, especially when you're married. But I think it's something to do with the middle of the week. So yeah, what we're going to do is cut the bottom part of the panel off, the door frame off, and cut the repair panel that we used to repair the other passenger door off to try and swap over. Yeah, don't think I'll put you guys in the holster. I think it doesn't come far as round as the last time, so I think we're going to get away with quite a good setup. So yeah, I'll just remembered actually that there's like a little pipe down there for a drain, goes into a hole. Pattern panels don't have those, so something to remember about. Not too hard to fit at a later date, that's for sure. But yeah, something to remember if you're doing it and you're being accurate. So anyway, let's get this door off, get the other bits cut off and see how far we get in our hour. Nearly with the bottom section, always slower than it looks, grinding those sort of rubbish off. Just seeing if I can get this check strap unscrewed, which is, I thought it was doing well. Bolts are spinning on the other side, on the nuts. See if we get a spanner, get that off. Alright, in my lunch hour. I was hoping I might have got some welds on it, but not quite. But what I need to do is just do a little bit more cleaning. It's pretty much there now. Yeah, some people might have spotted that I cut the bin to get the old one out, but the other one had so many pinholes in it. Anyway, so I'm sure someone could have made something use of it, but hey ho, it's my door, do what I like. So yeah, so that's not too bad, it's looking good. This is pretty solid around this corner, so no reason to try and cut it out and put thinner new metal in it from pattern panels. So what I'm just going to do now is, definitely on the inside, we'll get a load of cure rust on it, go and get all the surface rust off with a wire brush, and then get a load of cure rust all over it. Obviously in the ideal world you'd get the whole door shot blasted inside and out first, but I'm not in the ideal world, so we'll have to make do. So what we are going to do is get them shot blasted, all the bits that are seen anyway, most probably anyway, when the guy comes to do it all. So we're nearly there now, nearly there, and then we've got a door skin somewhere. Where do you hide a door skin? Anyone see my foreskin? Let me go have a look. There it is. Obviously you can't tell because I can't take it because the clamp's on. No, not gonna let me go. Trial fit, not really accurate at all, but just starts to give you some warning ideas if you see something out of place. That's the mould grip's just stopping it going on, so that's fine. Always need a bit of fettling. Clang, clang. Clang, clang. There we go. Just getting an idea, seeing if anything's too far out. It all looks good. The only thing stopping it is just where the door skin's overlapped. But that should be fine once we're folded them back over the door frame. At the end, we'll just get a porter jack or whatever they call it. Open the door up. Anyway, small update then. Just chicken and chips tonight. Wife's birthday tomorrow. So, but I have got the next couple of days off. So that's good. Obviously it is the wife's birthday, supposed to be doing something, but she's off to London to see a musical. So I thought, well, let's not waste a day. So hopefully we'll get a good crack on this tomorrow, hopefully, and make good progress in the next few videos. And yeah, haven't forgotten about the giveaway, so I'm just still waiting back on a few, so I don't want to start it yet until we've heard back from a few companies. So we'll do that first. But yeah, I promise, definitely next week, but maybe this week. We'll see how we're doing. All right, guys, bye for now. Let me know how you're doing. What are you guys having for tea?